Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Drax Hall. We are at the Booth service station and it's actually a plaza. So there you can see they're extending it. So some construction is going on here. And this is a gas station, but behind it is a plaza. On the ground floor they have a supermarket and a pharmacy, and then the upper floors are commercial space that's used by a call center. So the ground floor, that's the entrance to the supermarket straight ahead, and then the two floors on top are used for a call center. And this is Drax Hall in St. Ann. And Drax Hall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. It's ideally located at the intersection of two major highways, and it's ideally located between the town of Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay. So there you can see another look at the construction that's going on. So now we're going to go back out on the Northern Coastal Highway. That's one of the two major roads, and we're going to head into Ocho Rios. So we're going to be driving from Drax Hall into Ocho Rios. So that's the Northern Coastal Highway straight ahead. And this road is actually going to be extended from 2 lanes to 4 lanes because it has exceeded the capacity that it was built for. It was built for 15,000 cars to use a day, but they're going to extend it so that 40,000 cars can use it per day. So this is a Northern Coastal Highway, and in about a minute we're going to come to a roundabout, and that's where the north-south leg of Highway 2000 intersects the Northern Coastal Highway in Marmy Bay. So we're driving out of Drax Hall now into Marmy Bay, and you're going to see the Rio Hotel on the left, and then after we pass the Rio Hotel, you're going to see some construction. That's where they're building the Sandals is building Sandals Duns River. So that's Rio on the left. And then coming up now on the left is going to be where the construction is going on. Okay, where you see the fence, basically. Alright, so this is Marmy Bay. And now we're heading towards the roundabout where the Northern Coastal Highway intersects or merges with the Highway 2000. And you see how close both highways are to Drax Hall. Okay, so this is the roundabout now. So if you were to get on the Highway 2000, you could reach Kingston in 45 minutes. If you continue, like what we're going to do now, you reach Ocho Rios in 2 minutes. And if you were to head the other way, you would get to Drax Hall in about 2 minutes. Okay, so on the left now, you're going to see a lot of villas because this is just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. We're still in Marmy Bay, and you're going to, this is a major tourist area, so you see a lot of villas that tourists can rent. Now on this road we're on our way to Ocho Rios now. You're going to come by the top 3 tourist destinations or tourist attractions in Jamaica. We're going to pass Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove, and you access all 3 from this road. So you see how important this road is. So that's another reason why they're extending it to 4 lanes. And Ocho Rios is one of the top 3 tourist areas in Jamaica. It's a resort town. You have Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and then Negril. Those are the top 3 tourist areas or towns in Jamaica. Not necessarily in that order, but these are the 3 most visited. These are 3 of the places that tourists stay the most. And Ocho Rios is very, very popular all over the world. Okay, so we're coming up. We're going to be entering Ocho Rios soon. As you can see, it's a very nice drive. And you notice these roads are in very good condition. This is a Northern Coastal Highway. It runs from Negril all the way to Port Antonio. So it goes from Negril to Montego Bay, Montego Bay to Trelawney, Trelawney to St. Anne, and then St. Anne to St. Mary, and then St. Mary to Portland. Okay, so on the right is Dunn's River Falls. At this point, the falls actually go underneath the road. And there is a sign, welcome to Ocho Rios. And Ocho Rios even has its own cruise ship pier. And it has an airport. Although the airport is physically located in St. Mary, the call sign for the airport is Ocho Rios. Okay, the entrance to get to Dunn's River Falls now is on the right, where you see that bus coming out. Where you see that bus, that's the entrance to Dunn's River Falls. And then coming up on the left now is Dolphin Cove. And the entrance is also off this road. The entrance to all three major attractions is off this road. Okay, where you see the cars parked on the left, that's the entrance to Dolphin Cove right there. And then coming up on the right, we have the entrance to Mystic Mountain. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.